Hi, welcome to Neo-Japanese Cooking. I'm Chef Keiji. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook taco rice. Taco rice is Japanese version of tacos. I like cooking taco rice because it's so easy and simple. In Japan, it's really hard to find good tortilla or taco shells. So when I miss good tacos, I just make taco rice. Let's cook taco rice. Here's the ingredients. Tomato, onion, cilantro, lettuce, avocado, salt, ground pepper, paprika powder, chili powder, garlic powder, cumin powder, cooking oil, ground chicken, steamed rice. If you don't know how to cook rice, please watch how to make steamed rice with a pot. Shredded cheese, your favorite hot sauce. Here's instructions. Wash all the veggies. Cut cilantro. Chop onion. Cut tomato into dices. Sliced lettuce. Cut avocado. Let's make seasonings. Salt, ground pepper, paprika powder, chili powder, cumin powder, garlic powder. Mix them well. Use medium heat. Add cooking oil. Cook ground chicken on medium heat. Add seasonings. You can add cheese and hot sauce on top if you like. Taco rice is ready. How did you like cooking taco rice? If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any questions or requests, please leave it in comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.